while there if during accidental scenario in EPA, protected areas. If it happens, then you'll have to engage with the EAD, and their influence and interest will be 6 and 6. Police or civil defense. Police or civil defense will be involved during any accidental scenarios on project side, so their influence and interest may be very low. We can put it 2 and 2. So these are the stakeholders. If the participants have want to add any other stakeholder, we can add. Otherwise, this will be part of the document, and we'll develop a stakeholder engagement plan based on this mapping. Is there any questions or any addition to the list?
No, it's okay from our side.
Okay. The last thing is the area of influence. Area of influence means where the project can have impacts on local communities. When we define the area of influence, first we define the zones of impact, because there are different impacts. Whether the project is impacting anybody or not, but we need to define the zone of impact first, and then area of influence. And then we'll decide that whether within that area, if there are any communities, any external stakeholders, then they are being impacted, how severe things. But first we'll have to define the area of influence. For area of influence, the first aspect is land use change, where you are going to build your project or construct your project, whether those lands are in use of any other person, any social receptor. On Das Island and project land, this is already in use of it now. So no, on project footprints, there is no impacts on or no things. But for that, zone of impact will be project footprints, where the pipeline is being laid down, where the tie-ins or other activities are being happened. Noise. For noise, at the moment, we are keeping it 100 meters. This is only based on our experience, because at the moment, we don't have any noise modeling study. I don't think at which stage we will be having it. So we can just make some assessment or estimation. These are the activities of the project are very limited. So during the construction activities, there may not be too much noise. So for that, we can say only 100 meters where the project can have reach, noise can reach from the project activity. Visual. The project activities are visible from 500 meters. So for visual impacts, we can keep the buffer around the project area as 500 meters. Restrictions to marine activities, same 500 meters alignment route and marine transport route. Pipeline alignment around pipeline and also marine transport route is also within this zone. Then marine transport route from Musafa Jetty to Das Island is also one of the zone of impact. Road transport, access roads within Abu Dhabi Industrial City and Musafa Industrial Zone to be used for the project Musafa Jetty, for the project. Okay, so this is a zone of impact or area of influence for the project. And this is all about from my side. If participants have any questions, we can discuss further. Otherwise, we'll close this meeting.